almost 1 in the afternoon when 19-year-old Michelle Tesla pulled into the car with another 19-year-old named Carrie Renner.
A lot of people go down there, walk their dogs, they fish, so there's a lot of activity there.
The two teens hadn't come to hang out at the park, however. Michelle and Carrie have been driving around all morning looking for a mutual friend, 19-year-old Devin Duffman. The three girls were all inseparable.
They hang out together, they did things together.